Welcome to this Excel tutorial, where we'll explore two methods, leveraging the versus lookup function and utilizing VBA Macro, for efficiently find and replace multiple values. Let's dive in. Suppose that you have a few cells containing few values and you want to find and replace 2 or 3 values. Then you might think that it's not a big deal, because you would prefer to do it with the help of the find and replace built-in feature of Excel. Then congratulations, because you have supposed to choose the right way for this task. There isn't any doubt that you can find and replace values in Excel by its find and replace built-in feature, which works entirely perfect for 2 or 3 values. But when you would have the bulk of values, and you want to find and replace them, then doing this task manually by the aid of this find and replace built-in feature would be a stupid decision, because you would get tired of it and would never complete your work on time. But there isn't any need to worry about it because, luckily, there are a few effective methods for finding and replacing multiple values in a few seconds. Let's see the first method. We'll harness the versus lookup function to find and replace values. This versus lookup formula helps find corresponding values from a specified range, replacing them if found. If not, it retains the original value. In your Excel sheet, select the cell where you want the result. Enter the versus lookup formula, and you'll witness the magic of finding and replacing values based on your criteria. Press enter, and there you have it. Values replaced using the versus lookup function. A simple yet powerful method in Excel. Now, let's move on to our second method involving VBA Macro. For more advanced control, we'll employ a VBA Macro to find and replace multiple values. Let's explore the steps. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. If you're new to VBA, don't worry. We'll guide you through. Insert a new module by right-clicking on any item in the Project Explorer, selecting Insert, and then choosing Module. Write or paste the VBA code that suits your find and replace criteria. This offers flexibility in customizing your search. Close the VBA editor and click on Macro, Command, and select Replace Mul Values, Macro Name. Click Run button to run the macro. Select one range to be searched. Select 2-column range where find and replace pairs are. You can see the rapid replacement of multiple values in accordance with your VBA code. Thanks for exploring these two powerful methods with us. Whether you choose the lookup function or dive into VBA macros, finding and replacing multiple values in Excel is now at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Excel insights. Thanks for watching.